Hey guys, if you want to split the payment on Amazon, then this video is for you. First, you have to choose a product. Um, then you can go to the cart that you have added. You will find all the product that you have added. Now, if you want to proceed to checkout, you just need to click on this button here. After that, make sure that you have a card, credit or debit card that added to your Amazon account, so you can just use your card here. Then you can also use some gift card, voucher or promotional code. So if you have a valid gift card or voucher and promotional code, then you can use it, and after entering the code perfectly or correctly, then you can simply click on apply and it will just pay the amount that the card have or the voucher or promotional code have. So it can just pay that amount, and then at a time you can use your credit card and debit card. Actually, there is no dedicated option to split the payment method, but you can actually use the gift card and your credit card together. So if, for example, if your gift card is worth of $20, then it will pay $20 from this total amount from here, and rest of the rest of the amount you can pay it to your credit card or debit card. So that's how you can just proceed that payment method or payment process here on your Amazon account. So that's how you can just simply split your payment process on your Amazon account. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.